Rangba Khubor Konrad Ki Sangma haka arpo artarik unai wing arhajar arpusau ulapan bena baka Sorkar Shen kan Wanrah no raki kendon ni standard operating procedure SOP habayade bat kajing Pyndonkam miki Siren kijing ta Iong bat kilat bathaba hakikali. Menteri Rangba Iong baka ni kasin jam kalong bante lakam kenang baki pat ba Khuborjylla kinomat ya kijing e.
Yes, I have been receiving a large number of complaints and concerns by citizens about what people are calling VIP culture. It is, of course, a matter of concern, but we also have to look at it from multiple angles. There is a concern for security and safety, which should not be mixed with the aspect of culture as such. But safety and security is one aspect, which is something that we personally feel is important, should not be compromised. But if that particular safety and security concern becomes more of an attitude and it is used in a wrong way, then I think that is what really is the problem. Therefore, it is important for us to regulate it in the right way. And just last week, we had a meeting with the Deputy Chief Minister in charge Home and all the other officials, the DGP, the Chief Secretary, and we have asked the police department to prepare an SOP as to who can use sirens and who cannot, and who can have tinted glasses and who cannot, and at the same time the flickering lights, who can put and who cannot, and very strictly implement those provisions and ensure that the protocols that need to be followed while using the siren and the lights and other devices should be very strictly implemented and done as per the SOP. So therefore, steps are being taken. By next week, we will be bringing that to the cabinet, and we will be creating a very strict SOP as to who can and who cannot use these different sirens or glasses, tinted glasses, or flickering lights, and where and when it can be used and how it should be used. But again, as I said, the matter of also security and safety also is a concern. There are protocols that need to be followed for Z plus category, Z category, Y category, and these are defined protocols which again cannot be compromised. So therefore those aspects need to be balanced, and as I mentioned, keeping the safety and security matter in front of us, we will work towards ensuring that this safety and security is not again abused in a manner in which it becomes a nuisance to the public. So the balancing of these two is what is required, and we hope that through this SOP that will be coming out very soon, which we will be passing in the cabinet, we should be able to minimize the inconvenience caused to the people.